how to create group text on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how to create group text on your iPhone. First things first, open up your messages app and then tap on the pencil-like icon on the top right corner. Now, here on two option, you can write in your friends or family's name. So this is how you add people. And you can create a group chat. You can type in your message and then send it and then it will be received by all of your group members. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.